Hey guys, Floaty here and welcome to another video. Today, I have nothing planned. I don't know why I have nothing planned. But I have nothing planned today. At all, wait, what? Right there. There's a downloading button. No, not Nyan Cat. It's Nyan Cat. Oh my god. Well, I guess there's only one thing for it. Play Store. Google Play Store. You gotta be kidding me. You've just downloaded Nyan Cat onto my phone without permission from me, and I had just started recording a video for YouTube. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hello, admin. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't know that. I didn't know that from my face cam. Oh no. Oh no. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, we're gonna have to play it, guys. I don't want to play Nyan Cat. Wait. It's not done yet. I'll see you in a sec. Guys. Nyan Cat. And apparently the music is, very addictive. As well as the game itself. I don't know how we're gonna go. This is really cool music. Alright. Now you can see me better. And my room that I'm working in. Allow. Come on, just let me play the game. It's stalling. Nyan Cat. I want to play Nyan Cat today, guys. Meow, 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 meow. Oh. Press this target button. Oh. Left bomb. Oh my gosh, how do we play? Oh. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's play. Just replay. Yes. Come on. Come on, Nyan Cat. Milk. Nyan. Holy crap. Nyan. No. What the? Okay, what is happening right now? Whoa. Nyan Cat. Donut. Yeah. Going. Yes, come on. Okay, this is getting really good. I can't believe I'm playing Nyan Cat. I never knew I would play this game. Does this not end? Best game ever. 200 meters. Combo multiplier. Ow! That hurt. No, magnet's bad. Magnet's bad. Tap bomb. Tap bomb. Yum. Yum. Milk bottles. Gimme them. Oh no, there's really good stuff. Holy crap! No! Save me! Save me! No! I'm not! A 7 of 9 coins. Oh. Come on. Let's see if we can do better. Ow. You can't both survivor. I am gonna achieve this for it. Yeah, come on. Get back up. Oh, hey, Hannah. Who's Hannah? Oh, gosh. Nyan Cat? Who is Hannah? Who's Hannah? I don't think I want to know who's Hannah. Yum. What is it? Nyan Cat is... Nyan Cat's the funniest. Back. Things. Whoa, okay, I get it. Nyan Cat! Come on, we need to get out of here. I'm going actually pretty good. Oh, it's just how fast we're going. Alright, Nyan Cat. Best game in history. Oh, the coin. I went over the coin. I found the pause button. Anyway, enough of that. I would like to play classic again. An hour ago. Just play. Alright, I'm playing Nyan Cat again, guys. Pardon me. Come on, Nyan Cat. Oh my gosh. No. I'm losing. And get against the Nyan Cat. Yum, yum, yum. What does that mean? Sunflower. What's sunflower? I don't think I want to know what sunflower means. More milk. No! I survived the UFO attack. Wait, did that take all my points away? Rocket Nyan! No! Nyan Cat's easily becoming one of my favorite games at the moment. Some people say that I have the same laugh as other dumb and minecart. Yeah, probably. Ow. Bye-bye. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That's my 10 minutes of Nyan Cat up. So thanks so much for watching this one video. If you do like this, hit 3 likes. I will check it. And when it hits Sunday this week, I'm checking it for the last time. It better be on 3 likes. Or else I'm no more Nyan Cat. I'm uninstalling Nyan Cat. And I'm giving App Store the permission to never, ever install apps randomly on my phone ever again. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching this video here. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And always keep floating. Hopefully there's no more noise.